Touring has begun, and if you truly want this year to change your life, this is where you start. First, build 3 hobbies that shape who you become. The first one should be creative. Mindless scrolling is draining your focus and killing your imagination. Instead, choose something that makes your brain work. Video editing, graphic design, writing, or creating content. Creativity sharpens your thinking and gives you an edge in everything you do. The second hobby must be physical. Movement isn't optional. Find something you actually enjoy: the gym, running, badminton, pickleball, calisthenics, anything you can do daily without forcing yourself. When your body improves, your confidence rises. You meet people, make friends, and naturally feel stronger in life. The third hobby should be intellectual. Feed your mind. Learn to code, explore AI tools, or make reading a daily habit. When your mind grows, your perspective changes. You begin to think better, decide better, and live better. And here's the second rule: eliminate excuses. Progress doesn't come from perfect conditions. It comes from showing up even when it's uncomfortable. If you take these steps seriously, 2026 won't just be another year. It will be the year you upgraded your life. You have nothing to lose. There's a quote I love: both fear and faith ask you to believe in something you can't see. The promotion you could get, the new life you could live, or the fear of failure. You can't see any of it right now. But you still have to choose what you believe in. So let me ask you this: what bet will you take? Now imagine it's December 31st, 2026. Think about the person you've become, the hobbies you've built, the people you know, the love in your life, the books you've read, the opportunities you've earned, the money you've made. All of that is possible only because you chose to bet on yourself. If you ever feel afraid, remember this: a disciplined person was once distracted. A loving person was once driven by lust. A calm mind was once full of anger. A humble person was once egoistic. A hardworking person was once lazy. A grateful person once took everything for granted. Every strength you admire in someone today came from a struggle, a battle they fought within themselves. Growth always starts with accepting who you are today and choosing to become better one day at a time. The road to hell often looks like heaven, and the road to heaven often looks like hell. So why do most people fail at being consistent? Because they focus on the work and not the reward. They look at the process, not the outcome. They get overwhelmed by how much effort it takes, instead of imagining the person they'll become by showing up every day. That's why self-awareness comes first. Know who you really are, and become the kind of person people naturally want to be around. That's it.